Everyone. Okay. Good evening, everyone. May I see a heart react, please? Okay. So I will not allow anyone to unmute no while I'm talking kasi medyo mahirap po pagka nagsasalita tapos nadi-distract tayo. So ayun, no, ang dami nating mga first timer ba, marami ako nakikitang mga first timer. So, good evening everyone and thank you so much once again for joining our Zoom. So, once again, I am Maylin Amugis. I am an electrical engineer by profession, and as an engineer, I already worked for 13 years in a plant, in a manufacturing plant. So, kung ako yung tatanungin nyo, kung may regrets ba ako if na-apply ko na ba yung pagiging engineer ko? Yes, na-apply ko na po. In fact, for the past 13 years, ako siguro yung pinakamasipag or isa sa pinakamasipag na engineer sa balat ng lupa. And even though, kahit gaano ka kasipag, when you are in a corporate world, tapos na-reach mo na yung level na before the manager, stuck ka na doon until such time na mag-retire na yung manager mo. So yun po yung experience ko when I was in a corporate world. And aside from that, I also did a lot of businesses, bakery, salon, no, and then beauty business, cosmetic business before. And Riway was introduced to our family during 2018 po. And a lot of us this evening in this room would relate from my experience. When the time that this product was introduced to me and my brother, which is one of our leaders, Gerson Patosa, I was in the point na ayoko na pong makinig ng anything. It's because during the time, sawang-sawa na po ako sa lahat ng food supplements na nasa market. Sino yung nakaka-relate? Since sawang-sawa na ako during the time na nag-explain si Jed about the product, I was busy with my cellphone. But luckily, during that time, ladies and gentlemen, my brother was with me. So right after the presentation, kasi nung during pala ng presentation, gumagana na yung isip niya kasi nakikinig siya eh. Ako hindi nakikinig at all. And then sabi niya, right away, sabi niya, bibili ako tol. Maglo-loan ako. Can you imagine, my brother was already working for 10 years and never po siyang nagkaroon ng loan. He was working in a government institution, in a state university, pero for 10 years, never po siya nag-loan kasi ayaw niyang bawas yung take-home pay niya. But during that time, dahil sa sobrang pagmamahal niya sa papa namin, he decided to have a loan. And then right away, decided to buy one set of Purecure. Before po, na-introduce ang Purecure sa amin, yung papa namin was suffering from COPD. Chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, and during that time he was already dying. Yes, no? Dying in the sense na he was already bedridden. Ang kanyang nebulizer every 2 to 3 hours, meaning in just 24 hours, 8 to 10 times po siyang nagna-nebulize. And aside from that, we have 2 tanks of oxygen na nasa room niya kasi from time to time, he will be needing to use an oxygen. Ganun po talaga pag COPD, kailangan mo pong mag-oxygen from time to time. That is why yung may mga COPD na nagta-travel, meron silang daladalang portable na oxygen tank sa kanilang likod. And when my brother bought the product, dinala po niya yun sa bahay. Alam niyo po ba, half day siyang sinermona ng mama ko. Sabi niya, ang mahal-mahal ng product, nauuto na naman kayo, mga uto-uto kayo, mga professional naman sana kayo, pero nauuto pa rin kayo. Yun yung word ng mama ko. And then sabi ng brother ko, ma, it's okay. Kasi yung pera, paulit-ulit pa natin niyang kikitain. Tama po ba? Nakaka-relate po ba tayo? And yung buhay ng papa namin is isa lang yan. Sabi ng brother ko, isa lang yung buhay ng papa namin. Pag namatay yan, wala na kami magagawa kahit ilang milyon pa gusto naming ilabas. So might as well, right now, I still have a chance, give me a chance. to do this. So pinatake namin, in short, pinatake ng mama namin yung product. He started taking 6 capsules a day. And you know what, ladies and gentlemen, fast forward after 3 months, yung nebulizer ng papa ko was reduced to 3 times a day. And then during that time, yung papa ko nagmumotor na po. Gumagala na sa barangay namin. No? And then after 6 months, yung kanyang nebulizer was further reduced to once a day or as needed. And that was 4 years ago, ladies and gentlemen. And up until now, buhay yung papa namin. Masaya kaming nakikita siya pag umuuwi kami, naglilinis po, nagwawalis sa bakuran ng bahay namin, nagdadamo sa labas. No, sobrang lakas ng papa ko, and we are so thankful that this product was introduced to our family. So right now, ladies and gentlemen, this is our way of saying thank you, and that is why we are paying it forward so that more people could know or would know that there is this kind of product already available in the market. Sobrang effective po ng product. So, allow me to share my screen. No, I will start my presentation. Ayan. So, ladies and gentlemen, Reway International has been in the market for the past 15 years. And you know, for the past 15 years, wala silang ibang product, wala silang ibang health product, but we only have Purecure Placenta. Saan po kayo makakakita ng company na iisa lang po yung product for the past 15 years? Meron po tayong alam. Parang katulad lang yan ng mag-o-open ka ng hardware, tapos yung binibenta mo po pako lang. Will you be able to survive the market for the next 15 years? Di ba po hindi? So Reway International is in the market going strong. Sobrang laki na po ng Reway International after 15 years with only one product. So with this alone, you can already see na the product is really effective. Kasi kung hindi po the product is not working, hindi po tatagal ang company kahit isang taon lang. And then, no, the company started in Singapore, expanded to Malaysia, Taiwan, China, Thailand, Hong Kong, Indonesia, Philippines, Japan, Myanmar, Denmark, Czech Republic, and soon we will be opening the office in Germany, Poland, and soon in the US also. And then we have 3 international headquarters, which is in Singapore, Taiwan, and Japan. Can you imagine yung mga headquarters po natin? That is a 5-story building. Parang mall po yan, parang SM. And then when you enter, ang standard po niya, mas maganda pa po siya sa 5-star hotel. And when we visited the Taiwan headquarters, ladies and gentlemen, believe me or not, I was teary-eyed. Naiiyak ako. It's because I can't imagine myself to be in this company na very prestigious. Grabe, napaka-generous na company and sobrang ganda. No, inuuna niya talaga yung interest palagi ng kanyang mga sales advocates. And then we have offices in Manila, Iloilo, Cebu, Davao. And within the end of the year, we will be having 6 more offices in the Philippines, which is in Quezon City, Pampanga, Tacloban, General Santos, Batangas, CDO. So, when we already have 10 branches, more or less siguro after a year or 2, magkakaroon na rin po tayo ng headquarters in the Philippines. And then, tonight, ladies and gentlemen, we are here in this room, and you are in this room because we wanted to make you realize how important your health is. Can you imagine, no, this data that you can see in the screen is a data from WHO, and ang sabi po dyan, death sentence even if you didn't commit any crime. Because this data is from WHO, hindi po namin ito gawa-gawa para takutin po kayo. Ang sabi dyan, these are the top 10 killers. So first po dyan is heart disease, followed by stroke, Alzheimer's, lung cancer, COPD, Yan po yung case ng papa namin, lower respiratory infection, colon cancer, diabetes, kidney disease, and breast cancer. So let's say, for example, you will be diagnosed with diabetes. Pupunta ka sa doktor, bibigyan ka ni doktor ng maintenance medication. And that maintenance medication, you have to take it for the rest of your life. Buti pa nga daw, no, sa maintenance medication, merong forever. So forever mo siyang iti-take because maintenance medication is only designed para hindi po or mapigilan pong mag-complicate kung anumang sakit meron ka. That is why, no, for example, meron kang diabetes, let's say, ikukumpara natin yan sa bahay. Yung bahay mo tumulo, sinahura natin ng balde. Ngayon, nung dumami yung tulo, sinahuran natin ng drum. So it's just like when you have diabetes, nung una, isa pa lang ang maintenance mo. After a while, nung dumami, yung mga sakit mo, nagiging 5, nagiging 10. So, maintenance medication is only palliative treatment para lang po pigilan na lumala ng mabilis ang sakit mo. But it doesn't cure your diabetes condition. And ano-ano po ba ang mga causes nito? Of course, aging population. Wala naman pong bumabata sa atin as days goes by. So pag tumatanda tayo, naturally, yung body natin tumatanda, nagkakaroon po ng mga damaged cells, tumatandang cells. So, nagkakaroon ng sakit. Then, wrong diet. Sino ba yung nakakakain ng enough nutrients that our body is needing on a daily basis? Wala na. Aside from that, marami na ring fast food. Kaya ngayon, tinatawag fast na rin yung life. Then, inevitable stress. Ibig sabihin, hindi po naiiwasang stress. Kasi, pag pumunta tayo kung saan nakadikit yung ating due, mga bills, no? Pag nakikita mo yung mga bills, stress ka na agad. Paglabas mo, mainit, maalikabok, stress ka na agad. Pagtingin mo sa asawa mo, pangit, stress ka na agad. Hindi, joke lang. And then, pollution. No, these are the top 10 killers, and these causes deadly illnesses, and it has reached a bottleneck crisis in today's medical science. Parang sabi nga nila, ganito daw karami yung may sakit, pero yung daanan, no, yung butas ng mga gumagaling, kakaunti lang. So, if there is bad news, there is also good news, which is the discovery of stem cell. So, let us know what is this stem cell all about. Stem cell pala is when the sperm, of course, galing yan sa mga lalaki, and then the ovum or egg cell that is coming from sa mga nanay, when these two unites, hindi natin alam kung saan nag-unite yon, sa kwarto ba na malamig, sa kusina ba, sa CR ba, basta, or sa sasakyan ba. Sila lang po yung nakakaalam. When these two unites, they will form the first mother stem cell. And this stem cell has the ability to duplicate itself, and then it will develop into 300 different types of stem cells in the body. And then after 9 months, ipapanganak po ang bata. So what does it mean? It means that our body is simply made up of stem cells. So meaning stem cells is the most basic form of all living things. Parang tayo po, mula ulo hanggang paa, lahat po tayo, we are made up of stem cell. And now that we know that our body is made up of stem cell, dapat pala pag nasira mata mo ay stem cell ang pinapang-repair mo. Ibig sabihin, when we use stem cell in medicinal purpose, it has unlimited possibilities of treatment boundaries and even close to miraculous ability. Napaka-powerful pala ng stem cell. That is why this is known to be the secret of the rich and famous, kasi prior to the discovery of oral stem cells, ladies and gentlemen, ang available lang po natin is only stem cell injection. So first po dyan is stem cell injection in Switzerland or in Germany. You have to go there, and in every injection, you will be needing 1.5 to 2.5 million pesos. Aside from that, you have to stay there, and then you have to prepare your accommodation, airfare, etc., etc. This is very expensive. Hindi po natin to afford. Next is stem cell transplant. We have this in some prestigious hospitals in the country, just like in St. Luke's. They have there, if you have fats, you will undergo lipo, and then from the fats, they will extract the stem cells. Then, after ma-extract ang stem cells, papadamihin yan in the laboratory, and then every month, they will get 75% of your stem cells, and then i-inject po sa'yo. Ang first treatment is 1 million pesos, and then yung pag-i-inject every month is 80,000 pesos. And that is also very expensive. Another one is the cord blood banking. This is possible kung pwede ka pang manganak. The moment na manganak ka po, yung dugo sa cord, including the blood in the placenta, iha-harvest po yun lahat. Then, during the harvest po nung mga blood na yon, you will be paying 500,000. And then, you will be paying 10,000 for the preservation fee so that you'll have your own stem cell bank na in the event na magkasakit yung family mo, you can just get stem cells from your stem cell bank and then i-inject po yun sa'yo, 100% you will be able to recover. There are other unknown na mga methods, but the most important question here is, now that we know that stem cells is really good, is there any convenient, effective, and affordable way? So there is already. It made possible because of the oral stem cell modern technology, and I am proud to present to you PureCheer Placenta, which is already in the 6th edition. This is made in New Zealand, which is a pollution-free country. An answer to reverse aging. Later on, you will know why there is a reverse aging. And then these are the technologies that has been used in order for us to encapsulate stem cells. So una-una po, ang source po ng ating stem cells is coming from the placenta of the deer. And then, wala pong pinapatay na deer in the process, ladies and gentlemen. Pag nanganganak lang po ang deer, they'll just harvest the placenta. And then, Miss Mai, bakit hindi pwedeng tao? Hindi pwedeng tao, it's because magkakaroon po ng tinatawag nating compatibility issue, which is, let's say for example, ako yung nag-donate ng placenta ko. Ibig sabihin, kung yung hereditary traits namin, it includes, let's say, diabetes, let's say we have asthma. For example, we have cancer sa lahi namin, possible po yun makakapi ng kung kanino ka nag-donate ng placenta. So, the next best source after human is from deer, because deer is known to be 99.9% biocompatible to human. Ibig sabihin, there will be no reaction, and there will be no rejection, and there will be no any allergic reaction. And most of all, hindi po tayo tutubuan ng antler. Then, pagkatapos ma-freeze dry, the cells or the stem cells can now be or remain alive in the next 3 to 4 years. And then, ilalagay po yan sa capsule. Paglagay po sa capsule, they will vacuum the air. Kasi once there is air, there is oxygen, there is bacteria, mabubulok po ang laman ng capsule. That's why tatanggalin yon and they will inject nitrogen gas. And nitrogen gas, ladies and gentlemen, is a natural refrigeration. Ibig sabihin, yung product po natin, in each capsule, meron na siyang sariling freezer. So, ibig sabihin, yung product natin, hindi na po siya kailangang ilagay sa ref, room temperature will do kasi each capsule sa loob meron na pong sariling freezer. And then, it has enteric coating. Ibig sabihin, pag ininom mo po ito, hindi po siya matutunaw sa acidic stomach. Kasi po, kapag natunaw po siya sa acidic stomach, it will become useless. Mamamatay po ang stem cells in the acidic environment because our acidic acid in the stomach is mas malakas pa po yan sa muriatic acid. So, ipoprotect ng enteric coating ang capsule, titigas po siya kapag nasa acidic environment, and then it will go to the small intestine capsule pa din. And once the coating senses that the environment is already alkaline and our small intestine is alkaline in nature, saka pa lang po siya matutunaw. And then it will go directly to the bulk chylomicron pathway because the stem cells or the 11 active ingredients, yung molecules po pinaliit up to the nano size, meaning sobrang liit, so that when it enters your body, it could penetrate even the smallest veins in the back of our eyes and in our brain. And then BioSoftGel technology is a perfect delivery system wherein we can ensure you that 80 to 90% of what is inside the capsule ma-absorb po ng katawan natin. Ano po ang ibig sabihin nun? And how do we know that what you are saying, Miss Mai, is true? Sino po dito yung mahihilig na uminom ng vitamin C? Di ba napapansin po natin kapag uminom tayo ng mga vitamin C, antibiotics, kung ano yung amoy ng gamot na ininom natin, ganun din yung amoy ng ihi natin. Aside from that, yung ihi natin is sobrang dilaw. It is because the truth is, when you take this vitamin C and has no enteric coating, matutunaw po yan sa stomach. Kapag natunaw po yan sa stomach, ladies and gentlemen, you will only be able to absorb 10 to 15%. Ibig sabihin, if we take 1,000 milligrams of vitamin C, you will only get 100 milligrams. Ibig sabihin, yung 900 milligrams, natatapon po yun sa ihi. So, kapag lagi-lagi kang umiinom ng mga gamot, ng mga vitamins, ano po ang mabilis masira sa iyo? It's your kidney. It's because your kidney is overworked. Ang dami po niyang sinasala ng mga chemicals papunta sa ihi. So, future, pag uminom ka nito, kahit uminom ka po ng 10 capsule, one time lang, wala po itong overdose. Pag umihi ka for as long as you are not dehydrated, hindi po magkakaroon ng kulay ang ihi mo. And that's how we know na wala pong natatapon sa ihi. And then, this is how it works inside the body. So meaning hindi siya matutunaw sa stomach, it will bypass the stomach acid and then it will be dissolved in the small intestine. Right away, when it dissolves in the small intestine, papasok po siya sa dugo. Ibig sabihin, hindi na po siya dumadaan sa liver at sa kidney natin. Directly na po siya sa bloodstream. And then take note that these stem cells, yung mga bilog-bilog, they are baby cells, healthy stem cells, and they are blank. Blanco po sila, wala pa po silang specific function. In the first 2 weeks of taking, ladies and gentlemen, that is the detoxification phase. Ibig sabihin, i-identify po niya lahat ng cells mo and then tatanggalin niya yung mga useless na. Older cells, damaged cells, non-working cells, it will be shred off, including all the toxins that has been in your body for so long. And then, it's just like a surveyor. Iso-survey po niya yung buong katawan mo, even though hindi mo alam na may sakit ka on that specific part of your body, si stem cells po, kaya niya po niyang i-locate yun. Mahahanap na po niya yung may mga damage na areas ng katawan natin. And then, pag nakita niya yung may pinakamaraming sira, yun po yung uunahin niya. Didikit siya doon and then it will start to duplicate. From one single cell, it will become 2, it will become 4, it will become 8, 16, 32, 64, and so on. And then, pagkatapos po niyang mag-duplicate, it will start to regenerate. Magdidikit-dikit po yung stem cells, magre-regenerate, and once there is cell regeneration, there will be cell repair. And kung saang organ po siya dumikit sa katawan mo, kukopyahin lang niya kung ano yung function mo. Kung dumikit siya sa heart, iikutin niya buong heart mo, tatanggalin niya, papalitan niya lahat ng damage. Ladies and gentlemen, pag lahat ng damage sa katawan natin na cells, napalitan ng bago at healthy na cells, wala na po tayong sakit. Tama po ba? And then, take note na sabi ko, baby cells yung laman ng capsules. So meaning, kung marami ka nang nainom na baby cells, bata na yung organs mo. Pag bata na yung organs mo inside the body, babata po yung itsura natin on the physical appearance. Babata ka po ng 5 to 10 years younger. So later, hulaan niyo po edad ko. I'm only 16 years old. Okay, wait lang ha. Nag-ayon. So the good news, ladies and gentlemen, is that hindi lang ito stem cells alone. It has the most powerful stem cell, plus it has active ingredients, 11 active nutrients na nagiging support system po ng stem cells when it enters your body. So, itong mga to, it also serves as a nutrient, meaning pagkain po to ng stem cells when they enter your body. Kasi pag wala pong pagkain, pag stem cells alone lang ang i-inject sa'yo, and you don't eat enough nutrients that your body is needing, parang tao din po yan. Pag wala tayong kain, wala din po tayong energy, hindi tayo nakakapagtrabaho. But in this case, we have stem cells plus 11 active ingredients. Then, Nucleic Lavem is a white strawberry. Napakaganda po nito. Napakamahal pag binili mo yan sa Awaji Island lang yan nabubuhay sa Japan. Ang ginagawa nito sa katawan mo, lahat po ng namamaga sa katawan mo, kinokorek niya. So if you have arthritis, if you have inflammation anywhere part of your body, nakokorek niya. And pag nakokorek niya yung inflammation, it could possibly break down tumors. Alright? And then Fucoidan, it's a brown seaweed. You can do your research. It has been cultured in Japan na based po sa studies conducted by the Japan Cancer Institute. Fucoidan can kill cancer cells without harming the good cells. That is why we have a lot of people who are taking this and nasa early stage ng cancer na hindi sila nag-chemo, hindi sila nag-radiation, na wala po yung kanilang mga tumors. Apple Filipinol. It's in each capsule, para kang kumain ng 100 apples in nutrient. Ibig sabihin po, in each capsule, it contains 100 apples in nutrient. So kung sasabihin mo mahal ang stem cell, magkano po ba ang 100 apples sa Pilipinas? And this apple Filipinol is a natural insulin. That's why when you started taking Purecure, expect that in 2 weeks to 2 months, magno-normalize po ang sugar mo because we have apple Filipinol. It's a natural insulin. Dendrobium. Dendrobium, ladies and gentlemen, is a top 1 immortality herb in Chinese medicine. Ibig sabihin, yung mga ugat sa katawan natin na namamatay na at mga barado, no, binubuhay po niya yon ulit, nire-reinforce niya so that it will become elastic, and when the cells become elastic, ipa-flush out po niya yung mga clogs. And then marine collagen. Kaya po yung mga umiinom, mapapansin nyo, banat yung mukha. And this is also very good with those people na merong mga arthritis. And then evening primrose, squalene, avocado oil, borage oil, aloe vera oil, lycopene. Lahat po ng kailangan natin na nutrients in the body nandito na. That's why yung usual na mga feedback sa akin ng mga clients ko na umiinom, ang lakas-lakas nila kapag umiinom sila ng Purecure. And napapansin nila pag hindi sila umiinom, low energy sila. So meaning bumalik sila sa dati, sa energy sa energy na basis. And then, meaning, pag umiinom ka nito, all the nutrients that your body is needing, nandito na po lahat. It's all in one, all-rounded health supplement needs. And it has a reverse aging process benefit. Then, for milder cases, ito po yung dosage. When we say milder cases, ibig sabihin wala ka pa pong masyadong madaming sakit. Parang ganito lang kasi yan. Ganito yung principle niya. Let's say for example, yung katawan mo, kaunti lang yung damage. Parang yung bahay mo. Yung i-repair mo lang, yung bintana lang at saka pinto. Ibig sabihin, konti lang yung materials na kailangan mo. Pero kung sobrang dami na ng damage sa bahay mo, marami rin yung materials na kailangan mo. So same as true with our dosage. Kung kaunti lang yung damage sa body mo, you will only be needing 7 bottles in 6 months therapy. Ang pag-inom po nito, this is taken 30 minutes before meal on an empty stomach. Wala pong laman ng tiyan. Ang pag-inom po, 2 sa umaga, 2 sa gabi. And then, sa first month yon. Sa second month, 1 sa umaga, 1 sa gabi, hanggang matapos po yung 6 months. Now, let's say for example, after 6 months, okay na yung mga test result mo. Pwede ka pong tumigil ng inom. Or yung iba na merong mga pambili, you can continue at a lower dose. Pero kung mas maraming sakit, magdadagdag po tayo ng dosage. And then, these are some of our testimonies. This is my personal client in Jensen. Ang kanya pong diagnosis is brain tumor. And nag-seizure po yung bata. Kung makikita nyo, 3.1 by 3.5 by 3.0. Bilog po yan. And then, nandito po yan sa gitna ng ulo. Ang sabi po dyan, tumoral bleed na merong edema. Ibig sabihin, dumudugo po yung tumor, left and right, meron pa pong mga nana, sobrang daming nana, and mild communicating hydrocephalus, ibig sabihin may tubig po. So, hinihingian sila ng doctor that time ng 1.2 million for the operation. Luckily, walang pera yung nanay, so hindi sila nakapagpa-opera. They were able to contact me and then started taking September of 2020. More than 1 year and 4 months of taking, ladies and gentlemen, pangatlong MRI niya. Kung makikita nyo po, yung kanyang tumor is only 1.3 by 1.0. And kung makikita mo yung impression, sabi ng pinsan ko na doktor, peklat na lang po yung 1.3 by 1.0, hindi po yan magsi-zero kasi peklat na lang yan. And then kung makikita mo, it's really true kasi ang nakalagay, healed tuberculoma or abscess in the brain. And kung makikita mo, wala na lahat. No midline shift, no hydrocephalus, unremarkable na po lahat ng kanyang test result. Then ito naman, the partner of my brother, Gerson, sumakit po yung kanyang tiyan. Nung sumakit, nag-start na sumakit, nag-take na po siya ng Purecure. And then after a week, or after few days of taking Purecure, nagkukulay na yung tiyan niya. So nung in-ultrasound, sabi ng doktor, 4 days na palang pumutok ang appendix niya. Ladies and gentlemen, kung hindi siya nakainom ng Purecure, patay na po siya in 24 hours after mag-rupture ang appendix niya. Kasi magkakaroon po siya ng sepsis. Magkaka-infection po siya, babagsak po yung blood pressure niya. Luckily, dahil may Purecure siya, 4 days bago siya na-opera. So, nung inopera siya, yan po, ito po, kung mapapansin nyo, yung doctor, they already know na kapag inopera, pagka pumutok na yung appendix, dapat meron pong drain. Ang akala po ng doktor, hindi siya mabubuhay, it's because hindi niya na nilagyan ng drain. So, what happened? He was able to survive, pero after 1 month, ladies and gentlemen, hindi na po bumababa yung kanyang lagnat. So after 1 month, malaki yung tiyan niya, pina-CT scan. Nung CT scan, dahil wala po siyang drain, yung mga dapat tumatagas palabas, nandun po sa loob na ipon. Siya ng 1 litrong nana sa loob ng tiyan. Luckily, dahil tuloy-tuloy po yung kanyang Purecure, wala pong na-damage na any organ. So isinalang siya ulit, inopera siya ulit, for the second time, and this time, nilagyan po siya ng drain. And, nung nilagyan siya ng drain, when he was able to recover, ito na po siya, yung nakatayo na pogi. Okay? And then, si tatay naman, body collapse, osteoporosis, bedridden. Kung makikita nyo, hindi na po yan nakakatayo si tatay. And then, he started taking Purecure. After 1 month or 2 bottles of taking, ato na po si tatay. Nung after 2 months, nagtetestimony na yan sa Jensen. Nakakatuwa, di ba? Kasi taga-Pulumulok po sila. Ito naman, one of the known personalities in Calamba, Owner po sila ng hospital. Global Medical Center, sila po ang, ano ba tawag doon? Sila po yung founder niyan. So ito po, mayaman. Sa US po yan siya nagpapatherapy, sa US po siya nagpapagamot. 2 years ng stroke, hindi nakakalakad.
Today is Thursday, December 9th, and here we are at Paramoniki. And here's Gemma with Mom.
Okay? And then, nag-present po kami sa kanya, sabi ng mga anak niya, pag napalakad niyo si Mami, kukuha kami niyan. So what we did, bumili sila ng 1 bottle, iniwanan namin, and then nag-take po siya after 4 days, nag-stop siya ng uminom. Kasi nagsilabasan po yung kanya allergy. Pagka uminom ka po ng Purecure, lahat po ng sakit mo, gigisingin po ni Purecure yan kasi makikita ng stem cells yun. Pag ginising niya yan, mararamdaman mo yon. So yung allergy nan lumabas, pinaliwanag namin na they just have to continue taking, and after 2 weeks or 1 bottle of taking, ladies and gentlemen, ito na po siya. Naglalakad na siya.
Haba na nang nalakad na. Ayun, ang bahay.
Yung anak niya mismo yung nag-video.
Ayan na ang nalakad niya. Naglakad siya hanggang doon sa dulo na yun. Na dati ay hindi siya nakakalakad ng ganyang kahaba. So ngayon, because of 4th year, nakakalakad na siya.
Yung anak niya po mismo yung nag-video. And then, diabetic patient. 22 years diabetic, 4 insulin injection per day. Kapag po sobrang taas ang sugar mo, ang una-unang tatamaan could be your kidney and your eyes. Luckily, sa kanya mata lang. Pero umabot po siya sa point na kailangan niya ng mag-transplant and wala pong donor. Kahit 50 million pa ang willing niyang ilabas, makabili lang ng mata, wala pong donor. So what he did, nag-start siya mag-take ng Purecure, yung 7 bottles na good for 6 months, nilaklak niya in 1 month. Meaning sa 2nd month, another 7 bottles. Sa 3rd month, another 7 bottles. In 3 months, 21 bottles po naubos niya, and ayan na po siya. And then ito po yung kanyang journey. Kung makita nyo to sa personal, mahihiya po kayo sa kutis. Sobrang baby face. And then this one is AIDS patient. Bouncer siya sa club, nagka-contract ng AIDS, butot balat. After 6 months, he was able to recover. Pero pag sa mga cases po ng AIDS, kailangan mo pong uminom ng tuloy-tuloy para masubmerge po yung mga virus. Then, si Ate Amina, severe bronchial asthma, ang dami po niyang maintenance. Kung makikita nyo bloated yung face, it's because nag-steroid na po siya. And then, after 6 months, ayan na siya, ayan na po siya, and right now, halos wala na siyang maintenance medication. And then, stroke patient. Kahit titingnan nyo lang po before and after, sobrang layo. Yung ito siya, nagaganyan na yung kamay, tumutulo yung laway, hindi po yung nakakalakad na walang tungkod, hila-hila yung isang paa. Nurse po siya sa US, nung pinresent sa kanya yung Purecure, sabi niya, ano ba yan? Bote-bote na yan, galing nga akong US, nandun yung pinaka-the best facility, best of the best doctors, pero hindi nga ako doon nag-improve, yan pa yung bote-bote lang na yan. We were able to explain it very well, and then nakita niya na parang worth trying. So nag-try po siya. After 3 months, ayan na po siya. And then, ayan na po siya. Then, ito naman, diabetic. Mild lang po ito, pasintabi po sa mga kumakain, may kasunod pa po yan na mas worst. Ito naman, kung nakikita nyo yung sugat niya, tumagos na sa kabila, bulok na yung paa. Papuntang amputation na po yan. Nag-take po siya after 5 months, ayan na po, healed na po siya. And then ito po yung mas worst. Bulok na yung paa. Nakikita nyo po ba yung maitim na daliri? Yung pangalawa at pangatlong daliri, patay na po yan. Kaya itim na siya. Can you imagine kung ano yung amoy? Patay, amoy, patay po yung bahay nila. Sobrang daming bangaw. And then, nag-start po siyang mag-take. Ayan siya, up close. Nung nag-start siya ng take, yung 1 bottle pa lang po, nawala yung amoy. And then, tuloy-tuloy, minomonitor yan. Sa messenger, minomonitor sila. And then, after taking 4 to 5 bottles of Purecure, unti-unti na pong nagkakalaman. Meaning bumabalik yung laman at kung makikita niyo yung daliri na itim, natanggal na siya. Yung isa na lang yung natitira. So what happened? After 6 months of taking, magaling na po siya. It's just that natanggal yung dalawang daliri niya na itim. Ayan po. Yun. Natanggal na yung dalawang daliri niya na itim. Yung kuko, natanggal. Then, gumaling. Ito po siya before and after. And then, 3 months old na merong TB. Bacterial pneumonia and tuberculosis. Nagkaroon po siya niyan dahil nung ipinanganak po siya ng nanay niya, may TB po yung nanay. So kung makikita nyo dito sa leftmost picture, halos matamlay na yung bata, halos hindi na nakaka-open ng eyes, yung kamay po bugbog na ng injection. Kahit anong antibiotic yung sa kanya, ini-inject sa kanya, it doesn't work. Pero nung nag-start po siya uminom ng Future, in just 6 capsules, tingnan mo yung mata ng bata, bilog na bilog na. And he was able to recover, ito na po siya after. Sobrang healthy bata. And then, ito po yung papa namin, yung kinukwento ko kanina na bedridden. After 3 months of taking, nagmumotor na yun. And gumagala na po yan, pumupunta ng Davao, sumasakay ng sasakyan, lumalabas ng restaurant, pumupunta ng farm namin. And 74 years old na po yung papa ko. Ito yung pinaka-latest niyang picture. Pag nakikita mo yan, sobrang banat ng mukha. And then, this is the price. Okay, so one bottle is 25,600. If we buy 7 bottles ng one time, 166 po siya. Ngayon, Miss Mai, sobrang mahal ng 166. Yes, I understand. Pero kung yung 166 mo, pag na-hospital ka, ilang araw lang po yan. Hindi ka pa magaling. Correct? But then, no, dito, this is already taken for 6 months therapy for milder cases. And ladies and gentlemen, I have to warn you, after our event, yung mga teki dyan, yung mahilig titingnan ko nga sa Lazada. Pag tumingin kayo sa Lazada at sa mga online, meron po doon binibenta 5,000. Pero ladies and gentlemen, beware. Kasi there is already a fake Future online. Meron po akong isang client na nagrereklamo siya, nabili daw niya 5,000. Nung binuksan niya yung capsule, powder po yung laman. So kapag nainom niyo yung capsule at fake pala yun, hindi natin alam kung ano yung powder, baka sabon yun. Pag nainom niyo, kaya niyo pa bang iluwa? Hindi na, tama ba? So, don't go online or Lazada. Pumunta po kayo sa tao na nag-invite sa inyo because, ladies and gentlemen, there is a very, very good career behind this product. Kasi kung maganda yung product, maganda din po yung career nito. And if you will be or become an advocate of Future Placenta, you will be able to take it for free. Yun po yung ini-enjoy namin dito. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for your time. I hope na marami po tayong natutunan tonight and hindi po nasayang yung oras natin. So, thank you so much, everyone.
Alright, thank you so much, our Timilit Pabo engineer, Mylene Amugis. So let's give her another round of applause. Alright, so have you learned a lot, ating mga viewers, for tonight event? Okay, sabi ni Miss Josephine, amazing presentation. Magbabasa muna ako para baka meron ditong special event. May mga question kayo ba or have anything na you want to clarify? I think wala na kasi sobrang very clear yung presentation ni Miss Mai, di ba? Would you agree? Ayan, so it's another night of full of learnings, ladies and gentlemen. And ayan, sabi ni Miss Arlene, so much learnings. Thank you, Miss Mai. So we have two live testimony kanina. Ang ngayon, kanina yung binanggit ni Mai, yung pinakita ni Mai are those personalities, those individuals that already gave a chance for themselves and therefore for their family as well na i-try yung Portier. I would understand when you saw the price of the product, doon kayo parang mapipigilan ka na parang ang ganda pero bakit ganun yung price, 'di ba? I would also feel, ganyan din yung naramdaman ko when it was introduced to me year 2019. But ladies and gentlemen, 'di ba? All quality talaga speaks about yung price. Price comes from good quality of the product and effectivity of the product. So yung doubt or question if magiging effective ba ito, it's no longer a question, ladies and gentlemen. So the question na lang is, would you give this a chance for yourselves and also for your family para soon when you have your personal experience with Portier Placenta, soon ikaw din yung mag-share ng testimony mo here online or even offline, even sa office natin in Pasay, diba? So, thank you so much again, Engineer Mylene Amugis, for that very, 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 very so much learnings presentation for tonight. No? Yun. Sana matutunan ko mag-present ng ganon. Okay, sarap makinig, sarap mag-share. Sabi ko nga, di ba kanina, lahat naman nag-start in the US hindi talaga magaling in the start. Pero andun yung willingness naming matuto, no? And if you're willing to learn, you just need to start now, no? Start now. Hindi naman yun mahirap gawin, but you need lang talaga yung willingness to learn. Kasi I believe lahat naman dito sa mundo is natututunan. Tama ba? You can learn. We can learn. We can learn how to do it. And if you do it consistently, for sure, this month, try mo hanggang end of month. You do OPP every day, 1 OPP per day. No, it's just a matter of practice, sabi nga ni Miss Mai. So if you want, na may talagang you want a change in your life, you do something talaga na hindi mo pa nagagawa. Okay? Sabi niya, siguro I've done more than 2,000 OPPs already. So if you want to be a team elite Pabo, kailangan 2,000 OPPs na yung nagagawa mo. Okay, kung 100 pa lang, wala pa yan. Mga half star pa lang yun. Okay? So, ayan. Okay, so sabi nga ni Miss Mai kanina, there is a career behind this. And yun yung talagang nagpa-ano sa amin, nagpa-push sa amin, to really get out of our comfort zone. Right? Na to really also share sa mga friends namin, share namin sa mga kakilala rin namin what we are really experiencing in the way. Sometimes yung iba, we are really, nami-misjudge kami, okay? Nasabi nila, scam daw yan, okay? So sanay na kami doon. Pero kapag nakita mo kasi yung opportunity here in the way na mababago yung buhay mo and you also help a lot of people na mababago din. It's really a paycheck of the heart when you saw this person na in front of you sharing na, Miss Van, buti shinare mo sa akin ng Riway. Miss Mai, buti naman shinare mo sa akin ng Riway. I don't know kung saan kami ngayon ng family ko if wala ako sa Riway. Di ba ang sarap sa pakiramdam noon, no? So, hay nako. I know you are so excited sa ating two more speaker for tonight to share naman yung experience nila with our product. So yung ating first testimonial speaker, she will share about the journey ng brother niya. Okay, yung brother niya is chronic kidney disease yung kanyang health concern. And I really salute this woman, no? Kasi grabe yung love niya sa family niya. Grabe yung love niya sa kapatid niya. Na yung kapatid niya gusto nang mag-give up. Pero siya, sabi niya hindi. Lalaban tayo. Ilalaban kita. So, I met her in an event in Sindalan, no, Pampanga. Nasa San Fernando kami ngayon. San Fernando, Pampanga. Pero na-meet ko siya, we had an event last year. I think July, August yun, last year pa. She was invited nung visitor ko. So hindi kami talaga personally magkakilala. So I invited my friend to come over dun sa event namin in Sindalan, Pampanga. Tapos yung friend ko nagpunta, tapos yung friend ko, nagdala siya ng isang guest. And yung dinala niyang guest, nagdala rin ng guest. So ang naging guest ko in that event, 3. So yung pangatlo, siya yun. And so after the event, follow up, follow through, ganyan. And then sabi nga niya, hindi pa kaya ng budget, pero hindi ako tumigil kaka-follow up. Kasi nga sabi niya, nung nakita kami, nung last kaming nag-usap in that event, sabi niya, actually kailangan ko talaga yan para sa brother ko and sa father ko. Kasi madalas daw na hospital, pero hindi ko pa alam yung situation. And then the first time na nag-avail sila ng portier was December last year, 2022. Okay? And I was in Isabela, tas nag-message lang siya sa akin, sis, pwede bang mag-deliver ka na ng 1 bottle? Okay, so nagpa-deliver ako with the help of our leader ni Miss Isabel Diaz. So pinasuyo ko sa kanya yung 1 bottle last December, and that is the first time na nag-try sila ng portier sa brother niya. So with that 1 bottle, talagang nakita nila yung effect. And ikikwento niya mamaya yung journey na ano yung nabago, ano yung naitulong sa kanila ng portier, lalo sa health ng brother niya. So ayan, I think andito na siya sa Zoom natin. Okay, ayan, joining na siya. Okay, andito na siya. Okay, sige. So let's welcome our testimonial speaker is none other than Miss Maricar Anes from Pampanga. Ay, wait lang. I-unmute kita. Okay. Pa-click na lang. On.
Hello po, good evening.
Hello, good evening. Take it away,
Hi, Miss Van and everyone po, good evening. I'm Maricar Anyes from Pampanga. So, medyo teary-eyed ako dun sa introduction ni Miss Van. Medyo emotional po tayo pagdating sa mga kapamilya natin, di ba po? So, paano ko ba umpisahan, Miss Van? I go with the flow na lang kung ano yung nasa puso't isip ko. So, yun po. 2021, dun po yung pinaka-toughest time ng family namin. So, it was the, what do you call this? nagsisurge pa po yung COVID at that time, di ba po? So, though nakakalabas na po tayo, pero marami pa po tayong cases. So, nag-start po kami ng hospitalization ng January 2021. And every now and then, in and out po sa hospital yung kapatid ko, alternate pa po sila ni father. So, talagang na-zero out po yung aming resources hanggang dun sa third quarter of the year. Medyo mas paano ba yung word na mas magandang sabihin? Medyo hindi maganda yung status ng health ng kapatid ko. Mas tumagal po kami sa hospital for about 2 to 3 months. Po. Ayan. Yan po yung brother ko before po siya nagkasakit. No? Very healthy. Then wala pong signs na may masakit sa kanya. No? Parang abrupt po yung naging changes dun sa kanyang health system. So, yun po, yung last quarter of the year, medyo mabigat po. Halos in 1 month time po, hindi na tinatanggap ng sistema niya yung food, and hindi na po siya nakakatulog. No, pero hindi po ako nag-stop doon sa unang-una sa faith ko kay Lord, no. Doon po tayo kumapit, and at the same time, along the way po na naka-hospital yung kapatid ko, naghahanap po ako ng alternative solution. Since alam naman po natin na lahat ng medicines ay merong side effect, no po? Though mas pinaano lang po yung sakit natin, parang hindi ko po siya matatawag na ang tawag dito, Miss Van. Sorry medyo wala. Hindi ko po siya matatawag na parang healing for dun sa medication, no? Kasi may mga nakikita kami na side effects po sa kanya, no? Aside from, nag-start po kasi yung CKD niya or chronic kidney disease dahil hypertensive po siya. Tumataas po yung BP niya. Then yung unang naging nung pagtaas ng BP niya is yung sa heart, no? Then sumunod po yung complications niya sa kidney. Yun po yung medyo nabigla kami dun sa kidney. Kasi ang sabi po ng physician is end stage. Yun po yung word na sinabi niya. So when you say end stage, parang isipin po natin wala na tayong pag-asa, no? Pero ang sa akin, sabi ko, dahil dun sa faith ko, sabi ko nga, Lord, ibibigay mo yung way. Sabi ko, ibigay mo po sa akin, magbigay ka ng sign. Hindi po kami nawawalan ng pag-asa na gagaling yung kapatid ko. So, meron po siyang binigay na, yung nakita ko na po si Pure Ear. Siguro, ako kaming budget, sabi ko nga kay Miss Van, before ko pa po na-meet si Miss Van, may kausap na po ako sa Davao. Pero si Lord po talaga gagawa talaga ng way yan. Yung path ko, binigay niya kay Miss Van. Minute niya po yung way namin. So I'm very grateful and thankful na hindi po nagsawa si Miss Van to share kung ano po yung maitutulong ng product, which is yun nga po, to cut the long story short, nung December po, siguro halos 3 months po kami noon. Sa kakakulit po ni Miss Van, sabi ko nga, yun nga pong sa introduction niya, sinabi niya kanina na kailangan ko po yan para sa kapatid ko at sa parent ko. And thank God, mga December, binigyan po ako ni Lord ng blessing na nakabili po kami ng isang bottle. And then from there, nakita po namin yung gaano ka-abrupt yung development ng kapatid ko sa health system niya. No? So, in 3 months time po na 3 months ba, Miss Van? Pang 4th na po yata, no, Miss Van? 4th month na namin. So, nakita niyo po yung picture dyan, no? Dito sa right side is yung mga December po ito sa right side. Yung una kasi yan yung na-hospitalize siya na huli. So, ngayon po, last year, na-hospitalize siya every 2-3 months. And na every 2 months na ang tawag doon, nagba-blood transfusion po siya, and yung BP niya minsan ang tawag dito, tumataas po lagi. From December hanggang ngayon po, praise God po, yung kapatid ko nag-develop na po, pumasok na sa BMI ang kanyang yung kanyang weight po, no? So, Miss Van, yung pong picture kanina na, ito po, yung mag-isa po siya, yan na po siya ngayon. Itong kasama po niya ako dito sa kabilang picture, yan po yung dating siya. So, makikita po natin in 3 months time, maganda po yung kinalabasan dun sa health system ng kapatid ko, and at the same time, hindi pa po siya na-hospitalize from December. No? And sa blood transfusion po, once pa lang po siya na blood transfusion. Actually, last 2 months dapat i-blood transfusion po siya, hindi po natuloy. Dahil yun nga po, gumaganda yung health system po ni brother. So yun lang po yung mai-share ko sa inyo. And our family is very grateful with Miss Van and her family for all the effort and support. And alam naman ni Miss Van kung ano yung in-extend niya na support sa amin, no, para makabili po kami ng Pure Tear. Maraming salamat po, Miss Van, and sa family. Thank you po. Good evening po.
Welcome, Sis Kay, and thank you so much, no, for bravely sharing your story, no, lalo na sa brother mo. Yun, so thank you so much, Sis Kay. I know marami kang na-bless for tonight. So let's keep on be a blessing to many people. Thank you so much, and God bless you. Good, ganyan. So let's give Miss Kay a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Hindi madali mag-share, no? Nung true to life story nyo, yung pinagdaanan nyo, lalo na when it comes to family. That is really, very sensitive pag sinishare mo yan. Pero thank you so much, Miss Kay, for saying yes. Actually, matagal ko na siyang kinukulit na mag-share. Sis, mag-share ka naman. Alam ko maraming gustong makarinig ng iyong story. And ayun, so I hope, no, naramdaman nyo, no, yung na-feel ko na talagang iba when you are really helping, no, helping other people, lalo na sa health nila. So that is really a paycheck for the heart from me. It's not about the money that you can earn, person that you will share for Tear, but it's all about sharing hope, no, touching lives. That is what we are doing here in Freeway. Yun. So with that, no, thank you so much again, Miss. Okay, thank you so much, and see you soon. Ayan. So We are down to our last testimonial speaker for tonight. Meron pa tayong isang speaker. Kayo, ready na ba kayo, no? Actually, it's his birthday today. Pero still, no, I asked him to be one of the testimonial speaker ngayon to share yung story niya in Riway and how really helped him in terms of his health, and as well as how Riway really changed him personally. Okay, so happy birthday now. Thank you so much. Okay, so without further ado, let's welcome, no, our very own testimonial speaker for tonight. Wala akong bigla. Okay, yun talaga pag live. Let's welcome our Diamond 2-star testimonial speaker, my husband, Mr. Bart Roses.
Hello, good evening everyone. So, dito talaga pag live, and I'm very happy nung sinabi ni Van na sige, sabi niya you'll be the testimonial speaker for tonight, and it's my privilege, and sa totoo lang po I'm very happy kasi for how many years na, for 2 years, tinulungan po ako ng Riway para mag-gain back ang health ko. And I'm really happy kasi kung hindi po namin nakilala si Riway, siguro hindi na po ako yung same person na ngayon na nakikita niyo. So, because of my before yung sakit ko, I was diabetic, and ganoon nga po, I was a candidate for amputation. And through the years na nakita ko po ang ginawa ng Riway sa akin, bilang isang ama, bilang padre de pamilya, bilang asawa, it would be different, ladies and gentlemen. It would be a lot different kung hindi po ako natulungan itong product. So, what I want to share to you, ladies and gentlemen, sabi ko nga, it's my birthday today. So, parang ito na yung naging sistema namin. Sabi ko, ito na yung buhay namin mag-asawa. Yung life ko before, sabi ko, binago ng Riway. And ladies and gentlemen, ito yung gusto ko makita rin yun. Makita po rin ninyo how this amazing platform changes me and my whole family. Because through our journey nung una na I feel hopeless, yung padre de pamilya, ako yung breadwinner ng family, tapos here comes na napabayaan ko po yung health ko. I learned it the hard way na nung nag-suffer po ako niyan ng diabetes, tapos nagkaroon po ako ng maliit na katlong sa nag-gangrene, and talagang medyo, ladies and gentlemen, yung kita ko na yung buto sa binti ko, and ano talaga siya, yung masama, may foul smell na siya, tapos hindi ko na nararamdaman. And dumating yung time na nung August of 2020, nung nakita ng internist ko yung itsura ng sugat ko, sabi niya, Bert, prepare kayo ng $500,000 para paputin natin yung paa. Yun lang ba kadali yun? So, ang hirap kasi nung panahon na yun na 2020 is parang lowest moment of our life kasi Nung una, wala kaming source of income kundi yung online business ko and yung shoe restoration ko. My wife is 8 months pregnant. So, yun talaga yung nag-iipunan namin. Tapos here comes ito yung sitwasyon. Pero alam nyo, ladies and gentlemen, what transpires me is because nung nangyari po yun, yung pala yung magbubukas sa amin ng katakot-takot na opportunities. Kasi hindi ko alam na my story, our story, me and my wife, will inspire more people. And they believe also kung ano yung pinagdaanan namin. Nakita ko po, nung umpisa na gumaling po yung sugat ko, maraming mga tao nagtanong. Akala nga nila yung mga first na mga clients namin, akala nila yung mismong product is for diabetic patient, not knowing na ang dami niyang na-address. Ang dami niyang na-address talaga. So, I was very, before parang sabi ko, totoo ba to? Kasi ako yung tao na mahirap bentahan. Kasi magaling ako magbenta eh. So, nung nakita ko siya, binibigay sa akin ng wife ko nung at first, parang I was very skeptic na talaga, itong supplement lang ito, makakagaling. Pero when I tried it, po, doon nag-start po na mabago ang buhay namin mag-asawa. Doon po nabago yung pananaw ko. Doon din po yung nabago yung mindset ko na kahit ano po ang mangyari, sabi ko, itong product na ito, binago yung buhay ko as a person. Kaya ngayon, I would like to pay it forward. Nandito po kayo sa Zoom, hindi po para kami mag-introduce nito or bentahan kayo. No. We are just selling hope, ladies and gentlemen. Yung hope na sana yung kung may sakit kayo, you're praying for healing, and sa tingin nyo walang-wala na, there's always a chance. Yung hope na sana bukas makalawa hindi na ito yung buhay. Yung hope na bukas makalawa, every time na gumigising ka, parang pang saya-saya, parang hanggang. Ito po yung mga bagay na nakita ko habang kami ay nandito sa journey ng Wiwik. So, many things na on my head na naglalaro ngayong gabi na ito. Kasi sobra ako na parang sabi ng wife ko na, sige kayo mag-testimony speaker. I was really blessed kasi nakita ko yung paano binago yung buhay namin. And paano po ako natulungan ito. And ito lang po yung gusto ko pong i-impart po sa inyo. Because nung nangyari po sa akin ito, yun yung parang downside of our life. Tapos, not knowing na ito rin po palang ito po palang sitwasyon na ito po yung magbibigay din po ng kasagutan sa lahat po ng naging problema po. And I'm so happy tonight kasi po yung birthday ko, sabi ko ay kayo na pang umaga, I was really praying na sana Lord make me say tawag dito, maging significant po talaga ako sa ibang tao. I want to bless more people. I want to have a change of life din sa ibang mga tao. And through this platform, through this product po, I became a channel of blessing also to others. So I would not take much of your time, ladies and gentlemen. And I'm really happy na kahit pa paano nagkaroon po ko ng konting time to share my story. And ngayon po ngayon pong gabi na ito, sa totoo lang po will be sobrang memorable po sa akin. Kasi po ah kasi po nakita ko po yung itong gabi na 'to kasi na birthday ko po, pero sabi nga nung iba, iba usually 'pag nagbe-birthday nagse-celebrate. Pero this time, ay gusto ko po na mai-share ko rin po talaga yung blessing po na 'to. So ito po yung picture ko po pala nung nagkaroon po ako ah, ng sugat. So kung makikita niyo po, there's a maliit na butas na sa gilid, sa binti, tapos lumobo siya. Nagkaroon po ng sugat din dito, and yung kuko ko po natatanggal siya na hindi ko na nararamdaman. But after taking Pulcher placenta in just 2 months, 2 months pa lang po taking, nag-close up po yung sugat ko, ayan. So, nakita niyo po yung scar, ganyan po kalaki yung naging sugat ko. Tapos yung sugat ko sa paa na wala na po na nabutas, ayan po, nag-heal na rin po siya. And after the therapy, for taking it 6 months, ladies and gentlemen, ito na po ang naging, ayan po sabi, totoo po pala talaga yung reverse aging. Kasi before, nung mga nakakita sa akin, nakala nila dinadialysis na ako. Kasi sobrang itim talaga ng skin ko. Tapos ang laki talaga po ng ginanda ng katawan ko after that. And sabi ko nga po, kung nangyari po sa akin ito, sabi ko nung una, akala ko tiyan. But I've seen a lot. I've seen a lot of people. I've seen a lot of our clients na nakita ko rin po yung changes po sa kanila. And with this testimony po, so I would like to end my sharing for tonight. And I hope kahit pa paano na may natutunan po sa aking testimony. Thank you po. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Ayan, we are using lang one device ngayon, one laptop lang, no? So ayan, thank you so much, no, Mr. Bart Rosas, for sharing your testimony regarding your health concern of having nearly amputated. Actually, talagang sobrang stress yung nangyari sa amin that time. There are times na sinisisi ko siya na aabutin mo pa na ganyan ang sitwasyon bago ako magising. Na talagang pahalagahan yung health. And yun naman talaga yung nangyayari sa totoong buhay. Tama po ba? So tonight, we are really reminded how really important is our health. So I hope you are able to realize kung gaano kayo kamahal nung mga taong nag-invite sa inyo tonight. Yung mga taong nag-invite sa iyo tonight is they just wanted, na makita nyo gaano ka-importante, ma-realize natin gaano ka-importante ang health. There is a saying that health is wealth. But for me, health is the only wealth that we have. Kasi when you are healthy, you are wealthy. When you are healthy, you can do so much more. When you are healthy, you can provide yung needs ng family mo. Hindi yung ikaw pa yung source ng struggles, financial struggles because of your health situation. Mahirap, we've been seen a lot of families. May mga napuntahan kami na ang nanay ay alam niyo yun, bedridden na. And then when they saw the stem cells, we shared it to them. We felt like na parang inaantay na lang nilang, alam mo yun, inaantay na lang talaga nilang yung final destination ng mother nila. Pero makikita mo dun sa mother na Gusto niya pang mabuhay, gusto niya pa. Pero wala siyang support sa family. Nakakalungkot, very heartbreaking yung experience na yun. No? And tonight, ladies and gentlemen, I hope we were able to add value to you. And you learned a lesson from the true to life stories of our testimonies. And doon din siya shinare ni Miss Mylene Amugis. Sometimes, no, it took us a while bago tayo maniwala. Sometimes, kailangan pa natin ng ibang tao, no? And sometimes, may magsasabi na, I need to research more about your product. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, experts po ang gumawa ng Courtier in New Zealand. They've been doing, no? Natapos na nila yung research at pag-aaral sa product. All you have to do is to take it. Hindi mo na kailangang pag-aralan yung bawat ingredients nito. Bakit? Yung direseta sa yung maintenance meds, pinag-aralan mo ba yan bago mo inumin? Pinag-aralan mo ba ano ang side effect niyan, ladies and gentlemen? Mas matakot kayong uminom ng synthetic medicine kesa natural, kesa stem cell na aayos ng cells inside your body. This is your opportunity para maging maayos yung cells. And if you believe and you understand yung explanation ni Mai kanina kung saan tayo galing. If what our body is made of, our body is made of cells. So meaning to say, if we are made of that material, that cells is only the key to repair, restore, and renew any organ inside your body. Diba? Kaya ako talagang sobrang pasensya na po pag yun talagang bigil ako whenever may gusto kong sabihin na ito yung magiging solusyon para maging maayos. Kesa pabalik-balik ka ng hospital, gumagastos ka ng 100,000, inuutang mo pa, at sasabihin mo, Dok, lahat po gawin nyo para mabuhay yung nanay ko. Eh kung sana, nung nakita mo yung stem cell, naniwala ka, you give a try, hindi na nangyari. Tama po ba? Kaya kami, our really mission is to educate people. How? No? How can this stem cell really help a lot of people? Okay, so, ang challenge lang kasi madalas is the price. Tama? The price. No? Pero, well, life ang pinag-uusapan natin dito. Is there a price for our life? Wala po, di ba? Tama po ba? Talagang we will gamble for the risk, no? Para mas humaba pa yung buhay ng loved ones natin. And nakita ko may mga message lang, magbabasa lang po ako. Sabi ni Miss K, Miss Van, si Papa is already taking na 1 week na and good. Oh, kasi yung father niya was na mild stroke, no? So see, yung brother niya, naging maganda yung condition, natulungan. Ngayon naman yung father naman niya ang nagtitake. So sabi ni Miss Myla ko, I was moved by what you just have said, Miss Vanessa. Oo, that is really my role for tonight, to make you uncomfortable. I don't care kung magalit kayo sa akin. Pero ang gusto kong magising tayo sa katotohanan na hey, we are offering a solution doon sa situation nyo ngayon. Kaya sa cancer sa bulsa, meron din po tayong solution dyan. Sabi ni Miss Myla ko, I wish I could turn back time, and how I wish sana alam ko na ang Courtier that time I'm earning that much sa Toyota. Sabi niya, I wish I could turn back time. You know what, when this was introduced sa akin ni Miss Mylene, the person that really kumbaga gave me a reason bakit hindi ko siya subukan. Naramdaman ko yung sinabi ni Miss Myla ko na I wish I could turn back time. I have sister na may chronic kidney disease na really begging na gusto niya pang mabuhay. Pero it was 2012 pa, hindi ko pa po alam ang Courtier. No? Meron akong pamangkin na 24 years old na cardiac arrest. That time, hindi ko pa po alam ang fourth year. No, I have a brother-in-law na nagkaroon ng cirrhosis of the liver, cancer, meron sa lungs. Meron akong kapatid, yung ate ko, no, na heart attack din. Pero because of the situation that hindi ko pa alam yung fourth year and I have no enough, no, I have no enough capacity to help them, hindi ko sila natulungan. So, doing Riway is my advocacy to help those people na matulungan din sila. So kung hindi ko man nagawa sa mga kapatid ko, I can do so much with the other people. Di po ba? So sabi rito, pero po ang dami po talagang nega sa paligid. O hindi talaga yan mawawala. Minsan nga kadalasan yung sarili mong kapamilya, no, ang sasabihin sa'yo, magkano ang commission mo dyan, magkano ang kita mo dyan. Di ba? Okay? So, this is really a challenge to all of us. Kung ano po yung narinig nyo ngayon, na sa tingin nyo it could help a lot of people, i-share nyo po siya. I-share nyo po siya. No? You'll never know, no? God is really watching over us, whatever the things that we are doing, either good or bad. Ako, I really believe in karma, good karma. So it doesn't matter. As long as you share, no, these learnings that you really saw and you heard so much sa ating testimonials. This is really priceless when you share to person that is really hopeless. There are a lot of people, I know you would agree, na talagang begging for help, begging for miracle, para lang sila gumaling, para lang maibalik yung dati nilang health. And I hope sooner or later you'll decide to be part of Freeway International to fight, no, to fight for the lives of our family. Kaya kami nandito sa Freeway because we wanted to continue yung pagtitake namin ng stem cells. You can have free stem cells for life if you are doing Freeway the right way. Yun. So with that, I have said so much for tonight. I hope I made you uncomfortable, and that is my role for tonight, and that is my mission, to make you uncomfortable. All right? And see you again next Friday, kasi I'm really looking for other speakers para marami rin tayong marinig na bagong mga stories. And next week, one of our speaker, no, closing speakers natin is Team Elite Monoceros lang naman. Yan, sino po lang ako sharing ko. So I asked her to be our closing speaker. So wag po kayong mawawala. Yung ating 32 na participants kanina, please. Magdala po kayo ng tig-isa next week. Para next week 64 na po tayo. So yun lang po yung hihingin kong help sa inyo, support. So if you know someone na sa tingin nyo magbe-benefit with our product, with our opportunity, with our advocacy, please bring them to this Zoom. Kung kailangan nyo siyang puntahan sa bahay at dalawa kayo manood ng Zoom, do it. You'll never know, you will change the life of that person after the presentation. So with that, thank you so much and God bless everyone. Have a blessed weekend.